नमस्कार। आज मैं नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 पर एक छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन आप सभी लोगों के सामने लेकर के आया हूं। इस प्रेजेंटेशन के माध्यम से नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 का जो मेन हाइलाइट्स है उसके बारे में आप सभी लोगों को जानकारी प्राप्त होगी। तो आइए देखते हैं नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन एजुकेशन। एनपी फर्स्ट वाज बेस्ड ऑन द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द कोठारी कमीशन इन 1968। 1968 में सबसे पहले एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आया था जो कोठारी कमीशन के रिकमेंडेशन पर था। उसके बाद 1986 में राजीव गांधी की सरकार ने न्यू नेशनल पॉलिसी ऑन एजुकेशन को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। उसके बाद पीवी नरसिम्हा राव की गवर्नमेंट ने 1992 में 1986 की एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को मॉडिफाई किया था। उसके बाद 29 जुलाई 2020 को कैबिनेट ने न्यू नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को अप्रूवल दे दिया था। विजन ऑफ द पॉलिसी। नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 का क्या है विजन? Develop an education system deeply rooted in Indian ethos, which has the capability to provide high quality education to compete in the global world. The curriculum and pedagogy must develop a sense of respect towards fundamental duties and Constitution of India and have a deep bond with the country. Develop a sense of pride and respect for the country and be responsible for human rights, sustainable development, global well-being, thereby reflecting a truly global citizen. NEP National Education Policy 2020. The NEP 2020 aims to transform the Indian education system to meet the needs of the 21st century, rectify poor literacy and numeracy outcomes associated with primary schools, focus on early childhood care, restructure curriculum and pedagogy, reform assessment and exam, and invest in teachers training, bring a holistic change in the education system of India. Key principle of NEP 2020: respect for diversity and local context in all curriculum, pedagogy, and policy, equity and inclusion as the cornerstone of all educational decision, community participation, encouragement and facilitation for philanthropic, private, and community participation, use of technology in teaching and learning, removing language barrier for the young student and in educational planning and management. Emphasize conceptual understanding rather than rote learning and learning for exam. Unique capabilities. Recognize, identify them in each student. Critical thinking and creativity. To encourage logical decision making and innovation. Continuous review based on sustained research and regular assessment by educational experts. NEP 2020 highlights. The Ministry of Human Resource Development is renamed to Ministry of Education. All higher education institutions except legal and medical college to be governed by a single regulator. MPhil course to be discontinued. Vocational education to start from class 6 with internship. In grade 6 to 8, focus is on vocational studies in schools level, which includes carpentry, electric works, metal works, gardening, pottery making, etc., as decided by state and local communities. Teaching up to at least grade 5 in mother tongue or regional language. No language will be imposed on any student. Flexibility of choosing subject. No rigid separation between academic streams. National Assessment Center. Parak has been created to assess the student. In order to reduce the importance and stress of board exam will be conducted in two parts, objective and descriptive. Exam can be conducted twice a year. Board exam to be based on knowledge application. The main highlight is the current 10 plus 2 system to be replaced by a new 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 curricular structure corresponding to age 3 to 8, 8 to 11, 11 to 14 and 14 to 18 year respectively. Transforming curricular and pedagogical structure. Previous academic structure is 10 plus 2 system and a new pedagogy and curricular structure is 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. The first 5 year is called foundational stage, then preparatory stage, then middle stage and then secondary stage. The first foundational stage is divided in two parts, 3 years and 2 years. The first 3 years is for Anganwadi, preschools or Balvatika from age 3 to 6, and the second part is for 2 years, class 1 and class 2 for age 6 to 8 years, and preparatory stage is for class 3 to 5 and age group is 8 to 11. Middle stage is for class 6 to 8 and age group is 11 to 14. Secondary stage is for class 9th to 12th and age group is 14 to 18 ईयर. तो आइए देखते हैं कि फाउंडेशनल स्टेज में क्या क्या है और प्रिपरेटरी स्टेज में क्या क्या है, मिडिल स्टेज में क्या है और सेकेंडरी स्टेज में क्या है. फाउंडेशनल स्टेज मल्टी लेवल प्ले एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग. प्रिपरेटरी स्टेज जो 3 साल का है, प्ले डिस्कवरी एंड एक्टिविटी बेस्ड एंड इंटरेक्टिव क्लासरूम लर्निंग. मिडिल स्टेज ये भी 3 साल का है, इसमें है एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग इन द साइंस, मैथमेटिक्स, आर्ट, सोशल साइंस एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज. सेकेंडरी स्टेज ग्रेटर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी स्टडी, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड स्टूडेंट चॉइस ऑफ सब्जेक्ट. साइलेंट फीचर्स ऑफ स्टेजेज इन स्कूल. हर एक स्टेज का साइलेंट फीचर्स को देखते हैं. सबसे पहला है फाउंडेशनल स्टेज. इस स्टेज में प्ले एक्टिविटी बेस्ड लर्निंग, pedagogy of early childhood care and education, focus on good behavior, courtesy, ethics, personal and public hygiene, cleanliness, and focus on teamwork and cooperation. Preparatory stage gradual transition from play based learning to more formal classroom learning, interactive teaching learning, introduction of subject including physical education, art, language, science and mathematics, emphasis on reading, writing and speaking. Middle stage subject oriented pedagogical and curricular methodology, subject teachers for learning discussion of the more abstract concept in each subject across the science, mathematics, art, social science and humanities. Secondary stage, this is 4 year for multidisciplinary study, greater depth, greater thinking, greater attention of life aspiration, greater flexibility and student choice, exposure to more subject and enable greater flexibility, more frequent assessment of modules. Pedagogy for holistic development, experiential learning, focus on experiential inquiry and discovery based teaching learning method. Integrated pedagogy, arts, sports and storytelling and ICT integrated pedagogy. Promotion of peer tutoring, promoting peer tutoring as voluntary and joyful activity under the supervision of teachers. Equal weightage, no hard separation between curricular, co-curricular and extra co-curricular area. Freedom of choosing a variety of subject combination to be provided. Bagless day to be scheduled in academic calendar. Use and integration of technology. Integration of technology enable pedagogy in classes 6 to 12. Teachers and Teacher Education NEP 2020. National Professional Standard for Teachers NPST will be developed by 2022. The professional standards will be reviewed and revised in 2030 and thereafter every 10 years on the basis of rigorous analysis of the efficacy of the system. Quality 4-year integrated B.Ed program, transparency in transfer through online computerized system. Teacher eligibility test will be strengthened. Sharing of teacher across schools. School complexes will hire local eminent person expert as master instructor. A technology based comprehensive teachers requirement planning. teacher educator will gradually be moved by 2030 into multidisciplinary college and universities, multidisciplinary higher education institution offering the 4 year in class integrated B.Ed program to also provide blended and ODL mode of the teaching to students in remote areas. Timeline for implementation of ECE and new assessment pattern, early childhood care, and implementation of new curriculum and assessment for in 2021 to 22 class 9th and 22 to 23 initiating implementation of first year of pre-primary school and 3 years preparatory module for class 1 student phase 1. In 2022 to 23 class 10th, new board exam pattern for class 10th will be start from 2022 to 23 session, and 23 to 24 is phase 2. In this phase, expansion of first year of pre-primary school through primary school and Anganwadi. In 2024 to 25 is class 12th. Now in session 2024 to 25, new board exam pattern for class 12th will be started, and in further 2025 to 26. सो ये कुछ मेन हाइलाइट्स था नए नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 का। सो आप सभी लोगों का धन्यवाद। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को इस प्रेजेंटेशन के माध्यम से नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020 का मेन हाइलाइट्स की जानकारी आप लोगों को मिल गया होगा। धन्यवाद।